Hello, today we will study about the topic environmental accounting. So, first let us understand the meaning of this type of accounting. So, as the definition and meaning given, environmental accounting forms that part of accounting that deals with environmental concern. Is the scientific selection, measurement and collection of all environmental and socio-economic activities and the conditions in the micro and macro sectors of the economy. So, when accounting, this type of accounting deals with the environmental concern, like not only the things related to business, but this is something other than that. It considers the environmental factors into consideration. So, this type of accounting is neither beneficial for the business nor the people who work in it, but it has a broad perspective of benefiting the environment and is concerned about a planet. This has certain objectives, to name a few, to provide quantitative information. This provides quantitative information. Usually everything related to environment is calculated on qualitative basis, but this helps you to measure the quantitative basis. Next is to provide numerical information, which is nothing but the same point. Next is accountability and transparency. Helps to determine relationship between organization and the society. That is how an organization is harming the environment or can benefit the environment. If possible, in what way? Next, ethical investment movement, like it's something that is morally correct. That is the duty and responsibility of each and every individual. So it is ethical investment movement. Consumerism movement, same thing. Commitments towards introduction. So this has to meet certain commitments. The business entity has to be committed to perform all these types of accounting. Environmental accounting process. Everything in accounting has a certain process that is to be followed by each and every individual. Here it's identification and appraisal. You need to identify the environmental concern and then do its appraisal. Communicate, that is communication. Once you identify, you need to communicate. You need to monitor, analysis and control. Monitoring does not finish the process, but you need to analyze and control. You should be there from the beginning to the end to make this process a successful one. Next is types of environmental cost. There are three types of cost: direct cost, hidden cost, and potential future cost. Direct costs are properly visible to the organization. Hidden costs are which are like unseen or neglected by the organization. Potential future needs are beneficial mainly to the future aspects. Next is environmental reporting. Companies should report publicly both positive and negative impact of their operations on environment. Company performs certain functions. This report, environmental accounting, is has the responsibility. It has the certain responsibility of preparing environmental accounting. I mean, not accounting, environmental reporting. This report should publicly disclose the information, both the positive and negative impact of the operations on the environment. What good the entity has done to the environment and what harm it has caused. For example, certain entities plant trees and all these days. Those are like the positive impact that they are trying to bring in this environment. Next, limitations of environmental accounting. There is no standard proper method. For example, if you consider planting trees, there is no standard method. Plants may die or anything. Uh, different methods can be implemented. You may plant trees, you may clean oceans, you may benefit the environment in all the possible ways. Next is comparison not possible. You can't compare your this year's performance with the previous year. So comparison is also one of the major setback. Next, not easily measurable. Um, it is basically measured on the qualitative basis, so it's not measurable. Environmental accounting aims at making it measure quantitatively. Next is poor environment performance. These is all entities, do not contribute to the welfare. Most of the entities um, cause destruction rather than causing or making environment better. So poor environment performance excludes cost to the society and it's dependent. These are the limitations. That's all for today. Thank you.